I think it's fair to say that I've packed thousands of times throughout my life, not to mention the clients that I helped. But packing is not an easy task. It's easily to go overboard and having to deal with airline fees and all the drama involved with that. You can also err to the opposite side and not pack enough. So recently I came across a method that I found quite genius, and ever since I started to apply that, it improved my packing skills tremendously. So I'm going to share that with you today. I cannot take credit for this brilliant method. The creator of this method is Jen Balson, and I'll add the article in the description box if you want to read it in full. It's quite interesting. What I love about it is that it's very flexible, and I've done that, but I liked how she put it in a simple manner, so it's totally understandable and it works each and every time. So to illustrate how it works, I'm going to share with you how I packed for my recent trip to São Paulo, Brazil, which is a big city, so you can use similar items for your trips to big cities like New York, Paris, but obviously works for any trip of around 2 to 3 weeks with just little adjustments. So if this is something you're interested in, let's keep on watching. The first thing you have to start thinking is how you're gonna plan your trip. And a well-thought-through travel capsule is essential for peace of mind. And it will not only inspire you to be more creative, but it will also teach you how to exercise to be more sustainable. And what I love the most about it is that you can expand it to your back-at-home way of getting dressed as well. So think about the weather at the destination, summer, winter, what you're gonna do there, the people you're gonna meet, what kind of activities you're gonna do, all these things, of course, you have to have in mind in order to start thinking about the items that you're gonna take. So this method is known as the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that means that you're gonna take 5 tops, 4 bottom parts, 3 shoes, 2 one-pieces, dresses or jumpsuits, whatever you prefer, and 1 coat or jacket. So it's really simple and it works, like I said, for a trip of 2 to 3 weeks works perfectly. And I found it very useful and very effective. I hope you find it too, so let's get started. So for my trip to São Paulo, which will include a few nice dinners, art gallery, family gathering, meeting with friends, I packed 4 tops, being 1 graphic tee, 1 plain black t-shirt, 2 cute long sleeve day tops, 1 evening top, 4 bottoms, being 1 pair of jeans, black leather pants, and black pants. A pair of light color pants for contrast and variety. I opt for trousers because I'm not much of a skirt person. 2 dresses, I'm choosing here mid-season dresses because it's winter here in São Paulo at the moment, but you can swap to summer dresses if you want to. And a trench coat because again it's cold, but you can add a blazer instead. And for the accessories, I decided to bring pieces that would elevate my basics, yet simple enough that wouldn't interfere with my outfits. The accessories will play a big role as modifiers. These are the pieces that will steer the outfit to any direction you want to. And for that, I'm bringing a black belt, super classic to anchor my outfits and give it a polished finish, black sunglasses for coherence, 2 bags, 1 for day, 1 for night. I chose 1 bag with 2 different straps that I can wear as a crossbody during the day, and the chain that is more refined for a night out. And the extras, gym wear, because I always make sure I work out when I'm traveling, loungewear for when I want to chill out with family, hosieries, of course, PJs, underwear, socks, stockings, and a swimsuit because even being winter here, there are days that can be quite warm, so I might go to the beach. For these extras, there's no need to adopt the method because I just packed the minimum I can get away with. So one bathing suit is more than enough, one pair of sweatpants, but I make sure that I pack colored stockings because they really modify and they add as modifier for my outfit. As you can see here with this dress, you can use contrasting colors or the same family colors. I think it really works really well. So what I really wanted is to bring pieces that would go together, but also that if I get something at the destination, it will back them up. So really think about foundation pieces, classics, pieces that will anchor any look you want to create during your trip. Also, the idea was to multiply these pieces and wear them on repeat on different occasions as much as possible, which is more than welcome. After all, you are on holiday, so you're not seeing the same people, and that's totally okay, even back at home. When you're dealing with a minimal capsule, it makes styling much more easily because you can see clearly what you have and how the pieces interact with one another, and you can express your creativity more easily, which is something much more difficult to achieve when you have a full closet. Also, I restricted the one pieces because they're more limiting to style. But if you like one pieces, you can add one or two more or as many as you want. But for me, I prefer separates because I can mix and match them in more ways, and they're much more easy to create outfits out of those. This method is quite flexible, so you can really adjust to your liking. There's no right or wrong. It's just more of a guidance on how you can, or the number of pieces and the number of outfits you can create. I want pieces that would get me comfortable when I'm meeting with family in a relaxed environment, but also that would be perfect to go out with friends or dinner, and I'll still be myself in those situations. So never lose track of your 3 words, even when you're traveling. Part of the planning for a travel capsule wardrobe is thinking about the emotion you want to feel at the destination. And choose the pieces that will evoke that emotion, that will make you feel that way. So when deciding what to pack, think about the pieces will go, who you'll be with, etc. How comfortable your shoes have to be if you're going to walk a lot. So in a city like São Paulo, there's not much walking involved. So I can pack a kiddie heel to go to the mall, dinner, or art gallery. The sneakers double as exercise shoes and for when I want to look more chilled, so I don't need 2 pairs of tennis shoes. Consider the color palette that will be predominant. Neutrals are recommended for their versatility. For example, dark monochromatics is soothing and refined, while bright colors are vibrant and energizing. But make sure the colors are easy to combine. Neutrals are perfect for that. Then you can go to town with an accessory like a sock or shoes or bag to create contrast. But keep this to a minimum. For example, this dress is very classic and the color is neutral. Normally I would wear it with simple strap sandals, but to take it up a notch I can wear it with colored socks in either the same color or contrasting color. And swap the shoes for evening shoes. That way you transform the look just by adding a little detail. Don't see sneakers as such or something that you're going to run or walk in. See it as something, as a tool that will add chill to an outfit. So if you're kind of formal, adding a pair of sneakers will relax, make it more cool. When you have that mentality in mind, dressing will be a pure blast on your vacation. So there you have it, everyone. Just very simple method, but I promise you it's gonna work and make your life much easier when you're next packing. So if you found this video useful, please, as usual, give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already done so. That's very important for the growth of this channel. Thanks so much for watching. As usual, I love to have you here. Have fun packing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.